Next, we will make an ice cream. We have made the cone with the paper, and the ice cream we will make with the clay. You can see we are using different color clay to make the ice cream. Next, we will add some cherries to it, and next the leaves. This is ready now. You can see how beautiful it is looking and tasty. Next, again we are using a circular shape paper and we are cutting it from between to make a crab. Next, we will make the eyes with another paper, and after making the eyes, we will roll the body as shown in the video. We will also add the teeth and we will paste the eyes to the roll. You can see we are adding the straw, and now the game is ready. Next, we will use a paper and we will paste it on another paper as shown in the video to make the face of the boy. You can see how we have made the face, and next we will make the clothes with the clay, and this is ready now. Next, we will cut some small size papers and we will roll it and we will paste it to the base. You can see how we are pasting it, and the strawberry is almost ready with the eyes and the leaves on the strawberry. Now we will make some bats. You can see how we have cut different shape papers and we will paste it to the cloth clip. Next, we'll make the face of the bat and we'll paste the wings, and after pasting the wings we will make the tail. You can see this is ready now. You can play with it.